I've removed the wheel and this shock so that I can get at this inner wheel arch area, give it a really good clean and a fresh coat of stone chip and underseal protection. I've also going to take the opportunity to clean up this shock, which the last test proved was working correctly, but is in a fairly shocking state, so it'll be nice to clean that up as well. I'll unclip this wiring as well and keep it out of the way so that I can get at everything. Looks like that could have been crossing there. Put a bag around this as well. Keep contaminants off the brake materials. Similar work going on over this side. There's this washer bottle to get out of the way as well. This one could be a little difficult, it's very corroded. Yeah. Try not to think of these things as the problems, but actually these are the things I'm doing this for. Tidy up these little rough areas so we won't get too upset about it. It'd be nice to treat this area and know there's no rough bits like this hidden around the car. Sheared anyway, so we're drilling that one out again, much like some of the bits I've done for the wipers. That's okay. There we go. Drain that. Here we go. Just going to hold that back away from it, that'll give me enough space to get at these bits. So there's a hell of a lot of wiring to disconnect there. I promised I'd put a bit of filler on this when I finish that job just over the wells, so I'll get on with that now. Right, let's do this. Well, that side's cleaned up nicely, but there's no getting away from it. This side needs some fairly serious attention. It's the usual story below a battery tray where it's a concentration point for water. The coolant bottle was here as well. And the washer bottle is here. It's also kind of the interface where plastic panels are kind of sitting on top of metal, and moisture just collects there and is concentrated and it works away unseen. So we'll strip all this back, all these ancillaries, get the soundproofing off and give it a good clean back. And there's actually a repair needed here where the washer bottle neck came up through. That's actually corroded away completely. this radiator off as well and give myself a bit of space. Feels like we're finally taking charge of the situation, and this definitely needs a bit of work. Didn't I say there was no more welding on this car? Oh well. Phew. There was only going to be one shot at that. Just to let you know what I was using on this part of the project, Icepon Zinc 182 primer to treat all the bare metal bits from the repairs I did, and I used the Hammerite stone chip. I got these from mixedgarage.com. I must say I'm very pleased with how easy this was to apply. I think it's done a great job on the wheel arches. So hopefully that'll protect Chewy a long time into the future.